Camera's on.
Hi, and welcome to tonight's Edmonton multi-table foosball action. My name is Phil Martin, and I'm excited to have you join us for game number 1 of the August 30, 2025 Draw Your Partner Finals. Tonight's action is taking place on table 1, one of the newest tables in the club. In black, at the top of your screen, we've got Johnny up front with Ross in goal. And in yellow at the bottom of your screen, we've got Donnie up front with Paul in goal. Should have an excellent matchup tonight. I'm expecting to see a fantastic mix of rollovers, bank shots. All 4 of these players are very exciting to watch. And look at that, right off the bat, Johnny gets that lane pass through and quickly into the rollover setup, and he throws just a little hesitation there, if you look closely, and was able to shoot it through push side to open our scoring 1-0. Ross dancing around with his 2-bar here. Oh, look at that. Ross with a shot from the 2-bar, ricochets off the yellow 5-bar, and somehow it finds its way into this net there. 2-0. Johnny setting up. Oh, and a nice save there by Donnie. Johnny's got it back here. Goes rollover here, pull side with that rollover, finds the back of the net. They're up 3-0, commanding lead early in this match.
Yeah.
Paul and Donnie did a little switcheroo there on the yellow side, so we got Paul up front now. Oh, look at that. Beauty lane pass there by Paul. Just disguises that pass so well. And what a shot. 3-1. He's able to slice that one in around the defense. Johnny's got it. See if Donnie's up to the task here. Oh, great save by Donnie there. And Paul's able to get that 5-bar through again. And he's got it up front, going with that rollover. Oh, dancing around a little bit, and what a shot. Rollover, far push side. Paul absolutely drills that one home. Johnny dances around the goaltending, blisters that rollover pull side, finds the back of the net again. Great shot. There's Ross loading up from the back. Oh, Paul, surprise attack. Normally a rollover shooter there. He surprises Tross with a beautifully executed pole kick. I love the approach. Oh, Johnny tries to vary it up too from the 5-bar. But Donnie with a brilliant heads-up save on the goal. Keeps right on the goal line there. Keeps his team alive. And Johnny's loading up. And Johnny comes up huge. Wonderful save on Johnny that then deflects down into the other goal. Folks, we got a 4-4 tie in game 1 of the final here. Big save there by Donnie. Oh, and another huge save by Donnie there, keeping his team alive at 4-4. Ross just trying to get it up to his forward now. He's able to get it up to Johnny. Oh, and Johnny drills it up the pipe. His team takes game 1, 5-4.